Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walgreens for a little second haul. I wasn't planning on doing it this week, just earlier this week I wasn't planning on it. But then on Monday, I got a booster that's good for the 6th, 7th, and 8th of this week for spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So I thought, you know what? I'll go ahead and do a second haul. There's a few other things that I would like to grab. And so that's why we're here. So we're also here to test out the new P&G promotion where it's spend 20, get 4. So with the spend 20, get 4, you just want to be able to, you can use Walgreens cash and you can use register rewards to pay for the deal, but you cannot use a store register reward. And I call it a store register reward is because, and the reason why I call it a store register reward and not a manufacturer register reward or a store coupon is because in the ad, it tells us we're getting a register reward. So that's why I call it a register reward, but it really isn't a register reward. It's a store coupon. So you can use one of those as long as your total isn't below the $20 mark. So just be mindful of that. I know sometimes even myself can get confused and there's so many moving parts sometimes. So you know what I mean? Things like that can happen. And we just live and learn and all that jazz. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is not a Google Doc down below in the description box for Walgreens this week, but there will be next week, so do not worry if Google Docs are your thing. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to grab is the Mr. Clean Clean Freak Spray. It's on sale for $5.99. We're going to grab 2 of them. The 2 of them will equal out to $11.98. We have a $3.25 off of 2 digital coupon that we are going to be using. That will bring our total down to $8.73 for both of them, or about $4.36 a piece, which may seem really high, but we are using our spend boosters, of course, and I want to get to the $50 mark. Now, if you don't need to get to the $50 mark, you can also grab the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So that's something else you could grab instead of the Clean Freak Spray. So next we're going to do a deal of the week for the Olay Body Wash. But I'm actually going to grab that Olay body conditioner there. They are on sale for $7 as well as the regular Olay body wash. They are on promotion for buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, and they're on sale for $7 a piece. And I was pleasantly surprised to see that they did have the tag for the P&G promotion. I just couldn't find an not an expiration date, but when the deal ends. So here is the spend 20, get back a $4 P&G coupon that you can use on future purchases. So we just need to grab the 3 of these and that will meet the requirement. So the 3 of these will equal out to $21. We're going to use a 5 off 3 digital coupon. That'll bring our total down to $16. Now if you're going to do this deal by itself, you can pay with Walgreens cash or a manufacturer register reward or a little of both. So then you're going to get back a $5 register reward from the store and a $4 coupon. That's going to make your total for the 3 of these just $7, which I think is a really good deal. And I haven't gotten this kind of thing in quite a while, so I'm excited about that. Next, we're going to do a monthly promotion. There are certain Crest and Oral-B products that are spend 10, get back a $5 register reward. So I'm going to grab 3 of these floss picks here. They're priced at $3.99, so the 3 of them will equal out to $11.97. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will take this down to $6.97, but then we'll get back a $5 register reward, making the 3 of them just $1.97, which I think that's a decent deal. Now there are some mouthwashes that are included in this deal, but it's not the Crest with Scope. That's on sale for $5. And those are not included in the promotion. So sometimes it can be a little bit confusing, but we're going to just stick with the floss picks for now. So then we just need one more thing to get up over the $50 mark. So I am going to grab some L'Oreal facial makeup remover wipes. They are $6.79, and we have a $5 digital coupon that we're going to use, making them $1.79. So this is everything that we're getting today in our transaction. I'm going to use this paper booster and this $5 register reward from earlier in the week. So I'm hoping to get this down pretty cheap. So let's go out to the car and see how everything went.
All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and it went okay. There was some issues. And this has happened to me a few times the past few weeks. So I'll just tell you about the issues right away. Right now. So anyways, I had that register reward that I just showed you right before I checked out, and it didn't scan. Not that it rejected it, because I know that that's been like a thing going on right now, but it wasn't rejected. It didn't do anything like that. It wouldn't scan at all. So looking at it, it kind of looks like that the barcode, some of it was smudged maybe. I don't know, but they know me here and they put it through as a manufacturer coupon, which it was. It was a manufacturer register reward. So she's like, well, it's a coupon technically, so we can put it in as a coupon. And I'm like, I even think that I got it here. Not 100% sure, because I have no idea if I couponed here at this particular Walgreens earlier this week. And so the second thing that happened was the Olay digital coupon did not come off, which sucks, you know, because it's a $5 coupon. But this is like the second or third time in the past month and a half, 2 months, that I've gotten Olay and the Olay coupon didn't come off. I think it was even last week that I got Olay, or the week before. Sorry. It's one of those, it's the past week or so that I got the Olay and I didn't even see it, didn't even register that it didn't come off. I was looking at my receipt and I'm like, oh yeah, everything's great. And it wasn't until someone commented on the video that said, I don't see your Olay coupon. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you're right. I didn't even notice. So anyways, I'm going to talk to customer service again about that, because that is $5. So anyways, so I bought a pop and some gum on a different transaction, and I got a Revlon $4. Oh, it's just an eyeliner, but it's a $4 off a Revlon eyeliner coupon. So I got that one, and then when I did my other transaction, I got another one. So I don't know if that's happening today or if it's a new thing or what. But anyways, let's talk about the transaction. So I got the Oral-B floss picks. I got 2 of the Mr. Clean Freak sprays. I got the Olay body conditioner, and then I got the L'Oreal wipes. So here's my receipt. You see there's 2 $5 coupons come off, and then my $3.25 digital coupon come off, and then that other $5 coupon is my register reward. So I go into my app under the redeemed section in the coupons, and it tells me that the $5 coupon for the L'Oreal come off and the $5 coupon for the Oral-B come off, but no Olay coupon. So my total would have been $28.49. And then I would have taken it back up to $33.49 because of the register reward that I used. So I did get back $19.51 in Walgreens cash, $10 for the booster, and $9 for the paper booster. So then I did get back a $5 manufacturer or register reward. This could have been for the Olay or the Oral-B. And then I got another one. So they both printed out, and they're both manufacturer register rewards. So that makes me super happy. And there is some different numbers on the bottom. I just don't know which is which. I want to do the Crest mouthwash next week if we get another good coupon or good coupons, because the Oral-B that I did is part of a monthly promotion. And then I did also get the P&G coupon too for $4 back. And this is good until, the coupon is good until the 20th. But I don't know how long the promotion goes for, because on the tag, it did not say. I looked on the front and the back of the tag. I did not see anywhere, where it says promotion is good until a certain date. So if you know that, please comment that down below, because that's pretty important to know that. And it's unfortunate because you can't like look on P&G's website or anything like that to find out how long it's good for. And I got the Olay conditioners, and that equaled out to $21. And then I got the Oral-B floss picks, and that was only $12. So I got it for getting the Oral-B body conditioners, which I haven't gotten those in a very long time, so I'm excited to get those. And Aaron likes to use them and take them. So anyways, so what was my total for everything? Well, my total was $33.49 after coupons. I got back $19.51 in Walgreens cash. Then I got back $10 in register rewards and the $4 offer from the P&G, for the P&G offer. So that makes everything free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Yes, I did have to put some money out to do that. But like I said, I did not think there was enough for me to build up my transaction. So that's typically why I don't do it. Either I don't have enough in high value coupons to build up my transaction, or I don't have the Walgreens cash to do it, which I do on this account, but I don't think there's enough to build up the transaction to over $100 worth. So anyways, guys, that is really all I have. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul. It was a free haul, so I'm really happy about that. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. This is like the second or third week, not in a row, but in the past that, you know, so the other thing that happened was a dang, but no Olay coupon. So there is that. But my total would have been 28. My gosh, I cannot talk today. So what was my total for everything? Well, I got